The universe is a tapestry woven from intricate connections, from the smallest particles to the largest cosmic structures. A web of interdependence binds all things together. This interconnectedness, a hallmark of Gestalt principles, suggests that the universe is more than a collection of isolated parts. It is a unified whole, greater than the sum of its components. For centuries, science has sought to understand the universe by dissecting it, breaking it down into its smallest and most fundamental constituents. This reductionist approach has yielded incredible insights. We have unraveled the secrets of atoms, peered into the heart of stars, and mapped the vast cosmic web. Yet, as we delve deeper, we encounter a profound truth. The universe is not a fragmented machine. It is a dynamic, interconnected whole, constantly evolving and transforming. To truly grasp its nature, we must embrace a perspective that acknowledges this fundamental interconnectedness. This is where Gestalt principles, drawn from psychology and visual perception, offer a powerful lens through which to view the cosmos. These principles emphasize the importance of wholeness, interdependence, and the dynamic interplay of parts within a system. By applying these principles to our understanding of the universe, we can begin to appreciate its true nature as a unified and interconnected whole. Gestalt psychology, which emerged in the early 20th century, revolutionized our understanding of perception. It challenged the prevailing view that perception was a passive process of simply assembling sensory data. Instead, Gestalt psychologists argued that our minds actively organize sensory information into meaningful wholes. We don't just see individual dots, we see patterns, shapes, and objects. Central to Gestalt theory are several key principles that govern how we perceive and organize information: wholeness. We perceive objects and systems as complete entities, not merely as a collection of parts. The whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Closure. Our minds tend to complete incomplete figures, filling in missing information to create a sense of wholeness. Similarity. We group together objects that share similar characteristics, such as shape, color, or size. Proximity. We perceive objects that are close together as belonging to a group. Continuity. We tend to perceive lines and patterns as continuing in a smooth, uninterrupted path. These principles, though rooted in visual perception, have profound implications for understanding complex systems, including the universe itself. They suggest that the universe is not a random collection of isolated parts, but rather a unified whole, governed by principles of organization and interconnectedness. In the grand tapestry of the universe, order and complexity emerge from the seemingly chaotic. It's fascinating, isn't it? From the smallest particles to the vast galaxies, patterns and structures arise, almost as if by a hidden design. Now think about life itself. From single-celled organisms to the intricate ecosystems we see today, complexity has evolved over billions of years. It's a journey of relentless adaptation and change, driven by the fundamental laws of nature. And let's not forget about the human mind. Our consciousness, our ability to reason and create, is a pinnacle of this complex evolution. It's truly remarkable how order and complexity intertwine, shaping the world and our understanding of it. So, as we continue to explore and discover, we unravel the mysteries of how order and complexity have come to be, and how they continue to evolve. It's a story that's still being written, and one that invites us to ponder the very essence of existence. In our quest to understand the nature of reality, we find ourselves at the intersection of science and philosophy. A unified view of reality seeks to bridge the gap between the tangible and the abstract, the observable and the theoretical. This holistic approach allows us to see the universe not as a collection of isolated parts, but as an interconnected whole. Evidence from cosmology and quantum experiments provides us with glimpses into the underlying fabric of reality. From the vast expanses of the cosmos to the minute intricacies of quantum particles, each discovery adds a piece to the puzzle. These findings challenge our conventional understanding and push the boundaries of what we consider possible. As we delve deeper, our perspectives on reality begin to shift. Holism and emergence come to the forefront, suggesting that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This paradigm shift encourages us to think beyond reductionism and to appreciate the complexity and interconnectedness of the universe. With these insights, we gain a new lens on the cosmos. It's a lens that reveals the beauty and intricacy of the universe, urging us to embrace a more integrated and comprehensive view. Through this lens, we can better appreciate the profound mysteries that lie at the heart of existence, inspiring wonder and curiosity as we continue our journey of discovery.